Shairam. I'm Nirmala. I'm Baba's child. I'm from Tamil Nadu. Belongs to Mahaparayan 679 Shipra Shai Group. I got married 4 years ago with Baba's blessings. I got caring husband. He also became Baba devotees after seeing many miracles happen to me and sometimes for him too. Up to 3 years, we don't have a child. We went to doctor and took tests, but the test reports were normal. Every day, I read Shirdi Sai Baba devotees experience in Hadalji's website. In that there will be a link for Mahaparayan. So I started to reading Mahaparayan blog also. I wanted to be in part of that. I have filled P forms for about 5 times, but I didn't get any reply mail. I badly wanted to be in part of that. In April 2019, I prayed Baba that if I added to Mahaparayan group for this coming Thursday, then I will become a mother soon. I don't know any contacts at that time. I searched blogs for Poojaji's number and Hetalji's number, but I didn't find any numbers. All are in vain. Days came nearby Thursday. I'm very much scared and tense. Sometimes I cried. On Thursday, May 2, 2019 afternoon, I read Poojaji Mahaparayan blogs, in which 7th post I saw one comment like, contact her, she will add you in Mahaparayan. My joy knew no bounds. Immediately I messaged to her. She replied within that evening. She added me in Mahaparayan 679 group. Finally, Baba gave positive signs for my pregnancy. And after joining in that group, I am silently waiting for the groups to be filled. My husband also in that same group. Finally, the day has came. That is 6/6/2019. We started our first Parayan. My allotted chapters are 35, 36 and for my husband 36 and 37. At the end of the 36th chapter, there was one lady, Mrs. Aurangabadkar. She didn't have any child for 27 years. After Baba's blessing, she got pregnant and gave birth baby. At that time, my tears were rolled down from my eyes. I couldn't control my feelings. I swear Baba only allotted our chapters. After that, we regularly did our Parayan. On July 2019, one night I cried badly and told to my husband that I want to see Baba Ale and tell him to bless me a child. Till now, I didn't know how I reacted like that. My husband told me that Baba will come to see you. After one day night, while I was in deep sleep, I was very scared because a man who stands near me and continuously spoke with me. It was felt like real. I can't able to woke up my husband. After some time, I slept. Next day fully I was scared. After seeing this, my husband told me that he was only our Baba. Don't fear. Then only I became normal. Next day, I had a dream like a small white Baba statue hanging in my yellow robe in my Tirumangalyam. It was up to my stomach and Baba said, I will protect your baby. I was very, very happy. Now I am very much grateful to mention a person who is our Baba's angel. She is also a part of Mahaparayan global group. I am very fortunate having her contact. She is like my sister, well-wisher and my everything. Every time when I feel worried or confused, immediately I will message her. She is truly a Baba's angel. We don't know each other, we didn't see each other, but if I think her, she will message me. Till now we are sisters. Thank you so much, Baba. On August 2019, me and my husband went to Shirdi Sai Baba temple in Shirdi. On our wedding day, we were in Baba's temple. I cried and prayed in front of Baba, please bless us baby soon. And at that time, I am joined in Stavan Manjari Parayan group also. Expecting mothers and their relatives are part of that group. Every day we dedicate our Parayan to one person. On September 2019, one night I had a dream. The dream starts like me and my husband were sitting in one temple. I didn't remember the name of the temple. Suddenly, one man looks like a priest spoke with my husband. My husband told to him that we are Baba's devotees. We have a statue in our home. The priest was very happy and said, read Stavan Manjari regularly and your wishes will be fulfilled and you will be blessed with the baby. And next day I saw in Stavan Manjari Parayan group, they dedicated Parayan for me again. That is continuous 2 days they offered prayers for me. From that day, I understand that the priest was only our Baba. And then I regularly read our Stavan Manjari also. On November month, Sai Angel submitted my prayer request at Baba's Lotus Feet in Shiradi. After returning from Shiradi, she informed me about Sankalpa Parayan group. In that group, 48 Sai Sevaks will complete full Sai Satcharita book once in a single day for others' well-being. I was submitted my prayer. They did Parayan for me also. On December 5, 2019, one night I was suffered from severe stomach pain. I can't tolerate that pain. At that time, one person applied Udi in my stomach. That person was none other than our Baba. Immediately I fell asleep. Next day, I took my pregnancy test that is positive. I cried and laughed. I didn't know how to react. We were very happy and thanked our Baba. On our third month scan, my baby keeps his scans like Namaskaram position. I am truly blessed. Actually, my due date was August 12, 2019. My wish was baby should born on Baba's day. July month we went for a checkup. Doctor said there must be some complications because my baby weight was high. So she suggested to admit on Wednesday and she will induce pain. I was scattered at that time because I was preparing myself for normal delivery. After returning from hospital, I got a call from my Sai's angel. I cried her. She told me that don't panic, sister. Baba will take care of everything. And another important miracle was she told about her dream also. She had a dream on 2019, I think. Baba came in her dream and told her aunt to prepare khichdi for him. And again, Baba said one name, Sahasransh. That is boy baby name. Sahasransh means million. He argued with my Sai angel. The name must be Sahasransh. So she remembered the dream at that time. If your baby is boy, definitely that name is for your baby. Imagine the dream came on 2019, but she remembered and told me 2 days before I admitted in hospital on 2020. Sahasransh means 1 million. We admitted on Wednesday, July 29, 2020. They induced pain. The pain started on Wednesday night. Thursday evening 5 pm, I got heavy fever. My body is not ready for normal delivery. Active labor pain also started. My husband reading Sai Satcharita in front of labor room. Around 7 pm, the doctor allowed my husband inside the labor room. He came to me. I am not conscious at that time. He cried and said, "Let's go for C-section." I can hear his voice. I couldn't speak. Immediately he applied Udi on my forehead and he made me to eat Udi. He placed Udi packet under my pillow. He left the room after 30 minutes. After 7:30, doctor informed me to transfer to C-section. To everyone's surprise, I got all my strength and gave birth a baby boy at 8 pm. Everyone said that was miracle. We named him Sai Sahasransh. Thank you so much for Baba. Sorry for posting this experience delay. Due to some reasons I couldn't able to post. Today me and my husband and maybe Sahasransh are witness for Baba who is doing miracles all the time. I don't want to leave any single experience. I believe it will build hope in Sai devotees, especially expecting moms. Those who are waiting to become a parent, please have complete faith in Baba. He will give at right time. Om Shai Ram.